From the sidebar menu, navigate to SMTP configuration. To use a Gmail account, Google requires a high level of security. Before you can generate an app password, ensure that two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled on your Google account. Once 2FA is active, click on Generate App Password. You'll be asked to verify your identity. Here, we're using a passkey for a secure, passwordless login. Once inside your Google security settings, give your new app password a specific name, like Attendance, so you can track its use. Click Create, and Google will provide a unique 16-character security code. Copy this code immediately. Remember, this code acts as a secure bridge between Google and our portal without sharing your actual Gmail password. Now, return to the SMTP configuration page. Enter your full Gmail address and paste the 16-character code into the app password field. In the From Address section, enter your professional name and email. This ensures recipients recognize the sender. Click Test Connection to verify everything is linked correctly, then hit Save Configuration. With the email system active, let's look at a practical use case, following up on assignments. Navigate to the Assignments tab and select a specific task, such as FPL4. The dashboard gives you a live look at student progress. You can quickly see who has graded status and who is marked as not submitted. Instead of manually typing names, click the Send Mail button directly from the assignment details. The system is intelligent. It automatically identifies the students who haven't submitted their work and preloads their roll numbers into the bulk email tool. This saves you from the tedious task of cross-referencing lists. Now, let's draft our message. For this demo, we'll use roll number 1101. By using the dynamic buttons for name and roll number, the system will pull the actual student data for every individual email. This makes mass communication feel personal and professional. Once your test mail looks good, click Send Bulk Email. A success notification will confirm the emails are in the queue. Finally, let's verify the delivery. If we check our Gmail Sent folder, we can see the outgoing message. Notice how the system replaced our tags with the actual student's name and roll number.